Did you know a country once paid people to take out mortgages? In February 2015, Sweden's central bank governor Stefan Ingves made an announcement that broke economics forever. He set interest rates at negative 0.1%. For the first time in history, borrowers would literally get paid to borrow money. Homeowners celebrated as mortgage rates dropped below 0%. But savers watched in horror as banks started charging them to hold deposits. Every month, their savings accounts shrank just for existing. The entire financial system had been turned upside down. Sweden was rewarding debt and punishing savings. House prices exploded 30% annually as everyone rushed to borrow free money. Household debt reached dangerous levels nobody had ever seen before. Then officials realized what they had created: a massive housing bubble built on inverted incentives. They had literally broken the basic rules of money itself.